Understanding wire through, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit technical but is actually quite interesting: wire through. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in. Wire through is a phrase that can be a bit tricky because it has more than one meaning. The first and most common meaning is related to transferring money electronically. For example, when someone sends money from their bank account to another account, especially internationally, they might say, "I will wire the money through by tomorrow." It's a quick and efficient way to send funds. The second meaning of wire through is more literal and relates to electrical or technical work. In this context, it refers to the process of passing a wire through a specific area or device. For instance, an electrician might say, "I need to wire through this cable to set up the new lighting system." It's all about physically moving wires from one point to another. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The company wired the money through to their overseas partner. 2. We had to wire through several cables to install the new alarm system. In these sentences, the first example shows the financial meaning, while the second reflects the technical usage. It's important to remember that wire through is not the same as wire to. Wire to usually means sending money to a particular destination, while wire through emphasizes the process of transferring. Context is key in understanding which meaning is being used. I hope this video has made the phrase wire through a bit clearer for you. Remember, understanding these phrases can make a big difference in your English fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and rewatch if you need to. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.